Hi, welcome to the Shelley Studio. So I was watching a class put on by Art Drive Sharing, and it was about making marks, and they were talking about making marks on the gel plate, and one of the methods was with a Posca, and I hadn't done it in a while. So I thought it would be fun to do, and I did one page where I just did random marks, and then I thought, well, it'd be kind of fun to do something Christmas, so this could totally be a Christmas card. And so I just using Poscas, and it's just a little gel plate. I think it's 5x7. And I have some other paint markers I'm trying to use there. I have a brown one that's not very good. So I think I use gold instead. And yeah, just gonna draw out a little scene and yeah, have some fun. And those are supposed to look like snowflakes. So I covered the whole background with them so that they would look like snowflakes instead of stars. You can tell me what you think. I didn't have a dark green. This is kind of a teal. And so I'm just going around. It's kind of reactivating the dots I already put down, even though I let them dry. Some of them are drier than others. So I'll go back and touch those up in the end, I think. But I think it looks green enough. What do you think? So here's kind of where I go wrong. I was concerned that once I put color down, those wouldn't look white enough. So I put a little bit of paint in the center of each of the snowflakes. And yeah, I think I would have had better results if I hadn't done that and then just touched it up after I pull the print, if there was anything missing, because I think this creates an extra layer and extra texture, so all the lines don't quite show up. So I end up having to touch them up afterwards anyway. So I'm going to put a little blue in the background. I didn't want it to be too dark, so I add I have to make things more difficult. So I'm just going to blend those colors right on the plate, and luckily it doesn't make too big of a mess. I do get a blob there, but I don't think you really notice. And then I take off quite a bit, so it's just a real thin layer. And hopefully I don't lift anything important. And then we'll take our print. I think, yeah. And I was just plain, so this is recycled paper, but I can put that onto something else, like onto a card base. Alright, I rubbed it really well. Wanted to make sure it was all going to come up. A few little spots that don't come up, but otherwise, not too bad. I do have a big blue blob there, but it's okay. And I just take out my Posca pen and fix all of my snowflakes. I don't think I make you watch me do all of them. But I do that and I touch up the ornaments on the tree and I'll turn it into a little Christmas card. So what do you think? It was kind of fun, easy, simple little project. It has a little bit of background from whatever I printed prior to it, but if you want it pristine, you could always clean off your jelly plate. I kind of like having crusty bits on there. Makes things more interesting. But if you liked it, leave me a thumbs up or a comment. Appreciate all your comments. Thank you so much. And if you are not a subscriber and would like to see more from me, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have an awesome day.